Can you utilize Apple Pay for purchases on Steam? Today, we'll explore whether Apple Pay is an option for purchasing games on Steam. After searching online, it appears that Apple Pay cannot be used for transactions on Steam. Currently, Apple Pay does not support purchases on the Steam platform. However, if you possess a Steam MasterCard, there's a possibility you could try adding it to your Steam account, as this hasn't been attempted before. By doing so, you could potentially become the first to test this method. Keep in mind that this information may change in the future, so stay updated with the latest developments. Unfortunately, as of now, Apple Pay is not a viable payment option for Steam purchases. Nevertheless, if you're keen to explore alternative payment methods, feel free to try adding your Steam MasterCard. Your feedback and experiences could be valuable to the gaming community. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful.